Is your Windows 11 machine running a little slow or just not performing like it used to? Maybe you're gifting it to a family member or friend, or perhaps you just picked up a second-hand device and want to start fresh with a clean system. Resetting your PC or laptop to factory settings is the best fix for all of these. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to factory reset your Windows 11 PC or laptop step by step. I'll also explain the difference between keep my files and remove everything so you don't accidentally delete your important data. So, if you're ready to give your Windows 11 a fresh start, let's get started. For this, what you have to do is come to search and search reset this PC. As soon as you search reset this PC, you will see this setting in the best match. Open this setting. After opening this setting, here you come into system settings. Now from these sub options, you're going to specifically select the one that says reset this PC. You'll see that there's a reset PC button on the corner there. You're going to click on that. A prompt opens up. The first option you get is keep my files. After choosing this option, whatever your personal files are, personal data is in your laptop that will not be deleted. But whatever apps you have installed separately yourself and whatever setting changes you have made, those will be removed, deleted. The second option is remove everything. This will delete everything from your PC, including your personal files, apps, and settings. Your photos, videos, documents, PDFs, and other personal data will also be removed. So, if you choose this option, make sure you've backed up any important files before continuing. I'll select remove everything here, but you should choose the option that best suits your needs. Next, you'll be asked whether you want to use cloud download or local reinstall. If your Windows installation is severely corrupted or you're experiencing serious system problems, cloud download may be a better option because it downloads a fresh copy of Windows directly from Microsoft servers. Keep in mind that it requires a stable internet connection and can use several gigabytes of data. If your PC is generally working fine and you simply want to reset it, local reinstall is usually the faster option because it uses the Windows files already stored on your PC. I'll choose local reinstall for this tutorial. You'll now see a summary of the reset settings. Review everything carefully, then click next to continue. On the next screen, you'll see the final reset button. Once you're ready, click reset to begin the process. Windows will now prepare your PC for the reset. You'll see a progress percentage on the screen. Once the preparation is complete, your computer will restart automatically. Your PC may restart several times, and you'll see another progress bar showing the reset progress. Depending on your PC and the options you selected, this process can take anywhere from several minutes to a couple of hours. Once the reset is complete, you'll be taken to the Windows 11 setup screen, just like when setting up a brand new PC. Here, first of all, you have to select your country and click Yes. After that, if you want to add a second keyboard, you can add it. I will skip it for now. You will connect to a network. Select whichever Wi-Fi is available near you and click Connect. If the Wi-Fi has a password, enter the password and click Next. After connecting to Wi-Fi, click Next. Updates are being checked. At this point, Windows will ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you already have one, enter your email address and password and continue. If you prefer to use a local account or don't want to sign in with a Microsoft account, I'll leave a link to my tutorial in the top right corner showing you how to skip this requirement. If you're setting up a local account, Windows will ask you to create a username. Enter any username you want and click Next. You'll then be asked to create a password. Enter your preferred password and click Next. If you don't want to use a password, simply leave the field blank and click Next. Disable any privacy settings you don't want, then click Next and Accept. And just like that, the final setup phase has started. You'll see the Getting Things Ready for You screen. Give Windows a few minutes to configure your profile, and there we go. You're now logged into your freshly reset Windows 11 PC. You've successfully completed the Windows setup process and are ready to start using your PC again. If this video helped you reset your Windows 11 PC, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Resolve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.